All right, so today I want to walk you through how to change the pin on your Roku device. Now, unfortunately, you can't do it from the actual Roku device. We need to do this from the desktop experience, but good news is it's really, really easy. Now, what we need to do is go to Roku.com. Let me log out. Okay. From Roku.com, we're just going to sign into our Roku account. Now, you do have a Roku account because they require you to sign up when you are installing Roku or setting up your Roku. So find your email, enter your password, and then, of course, hit the sign in button. Now, you're going to get a code that they send for security purposes. It's going to go to your email. It says Roku line signing in, and in there we'll get our code. Find my code here. Hit continue. Now, once inside of the Roku desktop experience, I guess, hit your profile over here and then drop down into my account. And then in my account, scroll down to pin/parental controls. And here you can create your pin, right? 4 digits. So if I do 1, 2, 3, 4, I'll save the pin. I'm gonna save the pin. And if I go back, I can choose where I want the pin to be required. So right now I don't have it required anywhere, but if I wanted to make it required for subscribing, what is this? The levels of TV. And if I need to change the pin, I can do that here as well. So super easy. Hope this helps. If it does, consider liking and subscribing to the channel, and I'll see you next time.